Friends, welcome to Yadnya Investment Academy. Through our financial planning series and other videos, we have stressed on the importance of maintaining an emergency fund. But what if you're still pondering over this thought and a need like a medical emergency or something crops up? What do you do in such a scenario? Here are 5 ways which can get you access to the cash you might urgently need. Now, there could be n number of ways of raising money, but when you need money urgently, the time frame within which this money is accessible seems crucial. And so, we've excluded options that take longer processing time or if they dig into your retirement savings. The first option that gives you access to money urgently is through salary advances from your employer. The loan amount could be anything from 1 month to 6 months of your take-home pay or could be a high amount based upon your company policy. It is deducted from your salary over a few months or few years. Since this loan comes as a salary advance, it is taxable. But if the loan is spent on certain medical treatment or if the loan itself is below 20,000 rupees, the loan amount is completely tax exempted. Now, when you apply for such a loan, the processing time could be anything up to 3 days and the interest that is charged could be anything up to 8% or based upon your company policy could be a completely interest-free loan. Another option that could give you access to money urgently is a top-up loan if you're already servicing a home loan, wherein the top-up loan amount could be a maximum of 50 lakh rupees. But remember, the top-up loan plus the remaining home loan amount cannot exceed 75% value of your house. The tenure of the top-up loan is a maximum of 20 years or balance home loan tenure. When you apply for such a loan, the request is processed within 3 days and the interest rate that is applicable could be anything between 9 to 13% on a per annum basis. Another option could be an overdraft against your fixed deposit without you having to liquidate your FD. When you apply for such a loan amount equivalent to 70 to 95% of the value of your fixed deposit is transferred to an overdraft account from wherein you can withdraw funds. This overdraft account comes with an ATM card, online banking facility, a checkbook, etc. There are no foreclosure charges in case of an overdraft against your fixed deposit, nor there is any processing fee. When you apply for such a loan, the request is processed within a single day and the interest rate that is applicable on a per annum basis is 1 to 2.5% higher than what your FD is earning. Another option is cash withdrawal on credit card, which gives you access to cash instantly. But the interest rate that is applicable on such withdrawals is 2 to 3.5% on a per month basis. Now, this is an exorbitant rate. The amount that you can withdraw is 40 to 80% of the limit applicable on your card. There could be some limits on daily withdrawals as well. There's a transaction fee applicable on each transaction, which is 2.5 to 3% on the amount that is withdrawn. Now, this could be a very easy way of getting into a debt trap if you default for any reason. This is a strict no-no option if you are lazy with timelines. Coming to our last option here, personal loans. In most of the cases, you would have a pre-approved loan with a bank you already have an account with. And even when you don't have a pre-approved one, the process could take as less as a single day. The interest rate that is applicable on personal loans range from 11 to 24% on a per annum basis. There is a processing fee that is applicable, which is equal to 2 to 3% of the loan amount. There are foreclosure charges as well, which are applicable at a rate of 2.5% on the outstanding amount. So even a personal loan along with cash withdrawal on credit card seems to be heavy on the interest part. So friends, this is all on this topic. But remember, whenever you go for any sort of loan discussed in this video, understand whether it is meant for a need or for a want. If it is meant for a dying need, go ahead with the loan. But if it is meant just for a want, chuck it off. Hope the video has been useful. Thanks for watching this one. Watch this space for more such topics. Before we end, we want to let you know that Yadnya Investment Academy has come up with its first book, which is a collection of 108 questions and answers on mutual funds and SIP. The book is available on Flipkart, Infibeam, etc. And the link to buy the same is mentioned in the description of this video. So friends, see you in another video. Until then, happy investing.